Changing your bank account link to your Ramp card is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information easily. Step 1. Log into your Ramp account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section. This is usually found in the profile menu or dashboard. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Select bank account information. In the account settings, look for the option related to bank account information or payment methods. Click on this option to view your current linked bank account details. Step 4. Update your bank account. Here, you will see the option to edit or change your bank account. Enter the new bank account details, including the account number and routing number, ensuring all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering the new bank account information, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation prompt or email to verify the update. Follow any additional instructions provided to complete the process. Once you have followed these steps, your bank account linked to your Ramp card will be successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Ramp's customer support for assistance.